The spinning of the earth on its axis is known as the rotation of the earth. Now what happened when the earth rotates? अर्थ की रोटेशन की वजह से what effect does it make on us, the humans?
Day and night.
Excellent, excellent. Day and night, very good. So earth rotation causes day and night. Okay, and what about the revolution of earth? See, there are two movements of earth. One is the rotation on its own axis, just like a spinning top. Okay, लट्टू की तरह अपने ही एक्सिस के ऊपर अर्थ रोटेट करती है, right? And the rotation of earth takes place in what time? Within what time does the earth rotate? How much time does earth take to rotate? जी, अर्थ की रोटेशन का कितना टाइम होता है, कितना टाइम लेती है अर्थ? यस जैद?
Miss Earth completes its one orbit around the Sun in 365 whole 1 upon 4 days.
Good. That is about the revolution. Okay, that the earth revolve around the sun in 365 days. I'm talking about the rotation of the earth. How much time does the earth take? Yes, Hamza?
24 hours.
24 hours. Excellent. So the earth rotates in 24 hours. भाई अनस ने आंसर तो किया था ना कि डे एंड नाइट हैपेंस अर्थ की रोटेशन से, तो दिन और रात जो है वो कितनी देर, कितना टाइम होता है? 24 आवर्स. ओके, तो यू हैव टू थिंक क्वेश्चन क्या है. ये मैं इसलिए आज आपसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द क्विज, और उसमें इसी तरह से क्वेश्चंस घुमा के दूंगी मैं, ताकि आप लोगों के पास बुक है, यू हैव योर इंटरनेट विद यू, आपके घर में सिबलिंग्स होंगे, सब है आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए ना. तो इसलिए क्वेश्चंस को अच्छी तरीके से समझिएगा, फिर उसको अटेम्प्ट कीजिएगा, क्योंकि सिर्फ एक ही अटेम्प्ट खुला हुआ होगा वहां पे, मगर उसमें टाइमिंग्स नहीं दूंगी. क्वेश्चन आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो अच्छा खासा टाइम लेकर, लेकिन अटेम्प्ट एक ही होगा. ठीक है, मे बी मैं क्लास में एज अ टेस्ट यहाँ बोलूँ आपको, जैसे भी आप लोग बैठे हुए हो, चलो कम ऑन आप लोग जाओ और टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करो. देयर इज द टेस्ट ओवर देयर फॉर हाफ एन आवर. So start reading about the chapter so that you will secure good marks in the test. Okay, so this was about the earth rotation. Now let's come to the revolution of earth. Okay, right, so the earth's movement, we are just having a revision of that and will continue. So this was about the shifting of the sun's position in the sky, what happened, why there are day and night. So Anas answered that the day and night are just because of the rotation of the earth. We have just started the revision of the whole chapter as the students were not there. The strength was very less, so that's why. So now what bring the four season? This we are going to study in this chapter also. Now rotation of the earth is that the sun, it seems like the sun is shifting, but it is actually the earth who is spinning constantly. The earth is spinning constantly. It doesn't stop for a second. Okay, what is the speed of the rotation of the earth, or the spinning speed of the earth? It is 1670 kilometer per hour. Remember this, that it's 1670 kilometer per hour. Okay, just write down the question, jot down the answer of this question that how much time does the earth take to rotate within how much distance does the earth cover in 1 second? Okay, right, this we are going to discuss afterwards. Now the earth is actually rotating at a great speed, faster than a Formula One car. Formula One racing car are very fast car and they have a very high speed, but the earth is actually rotating greater or faster than the Formula One car. Okay, now the earth rotates on an axis, which is an imaginary line that runs through the north to the south. The axis connects the north and the south poles of the earth. If we ask the question, if I'm asking the question that what connects the north and south pole of the earth, so you can answer that the axis connects the north and south pole of the earth. या क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि is there anything which is connecting north and south pole? So you can say that axis is connecting north and south pole. As axis is the imaginary line, so no one have seen the axis. Now, unlike the spinning top, the axis of the earth is not point straight up or down, but it's a little bit tilted. Now, and the axis angle of tilt is 23.5 degree. Okay, the spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. There is a great difference between rotation and revolution. Okay, the revolution of the earth is around the sun and it's not in a circular motion. Remember this. And the spinning of the earth on its axis is known as the rotation. Okay. Now, rotation of the earth. Okay, remember this, that the earth rotates from east to west on its axis. और किसी भी direction में नहीं earth rotate करती, not from west to east, not from east to west, and not from north to south. Okay, बस ये याद रखिएगा, the rotation of the earth is from west to east. And the time which the rotation takes to complete which the earth takes to complete one rotation is 24 hours, and the earth's rotation causes day and night. Now, path around the sun. Now, the earth is also revolving around the sun while it is rotating on its axis. It is continuously rotating on its axis. Earth जो है वो अपने axis पे continuously rotate कर रही है, and simultaneously it is rotating around the sun. You can see over here that this rotation motion is not circular. It's a little bit oval. Okay, not a complete circular. Now the path around the sun is known as the orbit. जो पूरा circle, जो पूरा orbit, पूरा एक चक्कर complete करती है अर्थ सन के around, उसको कहते हैं orbit. ठीक है, अब जब भी orbit की बात आएगी तो आपके दिमाग में ये बात आ जानी चाहिए that we are talking about the earth revolution or completing one whole circle around the sun. It completes the earth. It completes one orbit around the sun in 365, 1/4 days, approximately 1 year. Now, ये 1/4 जो day है, this 0.25 or 1/4 days are added to make one day, the extra day which is added in the end of the February. You know that after every 4 years there is a leap year in which the February has 29 days. The earth is the only planet which supports life, and up till now the life has not been found in any other planet. Okay, now the revolution of the earth, why some places have 4 distinct seasons while some are always hot and with very little changes throughout the year. ऐसा होता है कि कुछ places जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होते हैं, बाज़ जगहों पे in some countries we can see all the 4 seasons distinctly, यानी बहुत अच्छे से नजर आते हैं. लाइक इन ऑटम जो है वहाँ लीफ फॉलिंग ऑफ द लीफ भी हम इजीली देख सकते हैं, और स्प्रिंग में भी अच्छे ब्लूमिंग नजर आती हैं. देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द विंटर तो वहाँ पे खूब अच्छी बर्फ भी पड़ती है, और द सेम गर्मी भी वहाँ बहुत अच्छी पड़ती है. तो आखिर ऐसा क्या, what is the reason that in some places only we have the distinct season और बास प्लेसेस में ऐसा नहीं है, वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट है टेम्परेचर, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. ठीक है, ओके. Right, so we will continue with the reading of the from the book now, so that you people can understand more clearly after reading. Okay, I'm removing those whose cameras are switched off. Okay. चलिए, मोहम्मद हुज़ैफा. Yes, okay. Anyone is having problem in the switching on the cameras, kindly write in the chat box. Yes, okay. Bibi Asra. Understood, Bibi Asra. Noted. Right. Okay, Mohammad Huzaifa. Start reading from page number 9, Revolution of the Earth.
Have you ever wondered why some places have 4 distinct seasons while some are always hot, with very little changes throughout the year? If you look closely at these places, you will see that the places that are located further away from the equator experience more seasons, whereas places are near the equator do not have the same season. What causes these differences? The seasons are caused
Okay,
by
that's
the
it.
tilt of the earth.
That's it, beta. Thank you, Mohammad Huzaifa. Myra Sajid, start reading. Myra Sajid, are you with us? जी बेटा, start reading. Yes, Ayan Ahmed. Myra? Yes, beta. Okay, can you all hear Myra? No, no one can hear you. Acha, okay, beta. Let's have someone else for the reading. Hurulan, acha, Hurulan is okay. Aban Asif, start reading.
Miss, from page number 9.
Yes, from page number 9, second paragraph. The seasons are caused by
The season was caused by the tilt of the Earth and Earth's revolution. The Earth does not only rotate in the same place, it moves around the Sun. The path around the Sun is known as an orbit. It takes 365.25 days, approximately 1 year, to complete one revolution around the Sun. A calendar year is only 365 days, but there is a leap year every 4 years. The 0.25 days are added to make one day. The extra day is added to the end of February, giving it 29 days instead of, as usual, 28 days. Hence, in a leap year, there are 29 days in February.
in February. Okay. Yes, Zed, continue reading, beta.
The path around the sun is known as an orbit. It takes 365.25 days, approximately to 1 year.
The third paragraph. The Earth is divided into.
The Earth is divided into halves called hemispheres. When one hemisphere leans more towards the sun, it
Leans.
receives
Leans. When
more towards the sun. It receives more direct sunlight, while the other hemisphere receives less direct sunlight.
okay. So now, what are the reason for the season? We can say that the tilt of the Earth, जो Earth जो है झुका हुआ है एक side पर, like it's on its axis, it's tilted 23.5 degree. ठीक है? Axis के ऊपर 23.5 degree जो है वो lean हुआ है, झुका हुआ है. So ये जो tilt है अर्थ का, this causes the season, right? कैसे, वो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे अभी. Now the earth is divided into two halves, two hemisphere. अर्थ के बिल्कुल सेंटर से एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन जा रही है जो कि अर्थ को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. The upper part of the half part of the earth is known as northern hemisphere, and the lower half part of the earth is known as the southern hemisphere. Now what happens कि जो अर्थ का पार्ट सन की तरफ ज्यादा झुका हुआ होता है वहां पर ज्यादा गर्मी होती है, right? Or the part of the earth which is leans away from the sun, the winter season comes over there. This we will understand by okay, let's I'm going to show you one video. Just watch it carefully, and then we are going to ask. I'm going to ask question and answers from that. Okay.
The universe includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust clouds, light, and even time. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing millions or billions of stars. The universe is incredibly huge, traveling at the speed of light. It would take 1 lakh light years to cross our Milky Way galaxy alone. No one knows the exact size of the universe because we cannot see the edge, if there is one. All we do know is that the visible universe is at least 93 billion light years across. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the largest of the terrestrial planets in the solar system. Initially, the Earth was in a molten state. Over time, the surface of the Earth cooled and became the crust. The Earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago and is the only known planet to support life. The Earth, like all other planets in the solar system, revolves around the Sun in an elliptical orbit, and it also rotates on its axis. These two motions of the Earth, that is rotation and revolution, are responsible for many phenomena on the Earth like day and night, seasons, winds, ocean currents. All these phenomena depend on rotation and revolution motions of the earth. What is rotation? Rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth, connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. The earth completes one rotation within a span of 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.09 seconds. Roughly, it is taken as 24 hours. The axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the vertical. And if a line were drawn parallel to the plane of the Earth's orbit, the axis would make an angle of 66.5 degrees to this line. What are the characteristics of rotation of the Earth? Well, the Earth completes one rotation from west to east on its axis in 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.09 seconds, which is roughly 24 hours. The Earth is always tilted in the same direction, that is towards the pole star, as it moves around the sun. The speed of movement at equator is 1660 kilometers per hour. The speed decreases towards the poles. The angle at which the Earth is tilted is known as the inclination of the Earth's axis.
Right. So this was about the axis, rotation, and revolution of the Earth. Okay. Let's continue on page number 10. Okay. Aliza Faraz, start reading from page number 10, beta. Aliza Faraz, are you with us? Okay, Muhammad Ali Sheikh, start reading.
Yes, miss.
Muhammad Ali Sheikh, unmute yourself. Okay, Muhammad Ali Sheikh. Okay, Hamza Ahmad.
When the sunlight falls on surface at an angle, it is spread over a large area. The sunlight is less intense and less hot. In the sunlight fall directly on the surface, it is more intense and hotter as it is more concentrated on a spot. You see that places nearer the equator receive sunlight more directly than places further away from the equator. This is the reason that places near the equator are hot throughout the year. Places that are further away have lower temperatures and distinct season due to the angle at which the sunlight falls on the surface and the revolution of the earth.
Okay, I want anyone to explain this. If anyone have understood. Yes, you may unmute yourself. अगर किसी को ये पूरा पैराग्राफ समझ में आया है, इसमें क्या पॉइंट्स हैं, तो आप हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए. Just share those points with us. Okay, I'm removing these 4-5 students whose videos are switched off and they will be marked absent for today. Ahad Ahmad, Ayan Ahmad. जी, किसी को नहीं समझ में आया जो ये पढ़ा है अभी? कुछ भी जो भी समझ में आ रहा है. ओके, अब मैं आपसे ये बात शेयर कर रही हूँ. इसके बाद मैं आपसे पूछूंगी. मोहम्मद अरीज, रिमेंबर दिस दैट यू हैव टू रिपीट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ओवर हियर. कि इस पैराग्राफ में क्या चीज समझाई गई है. द थिंग इज दैट बेटा कि इक्वेटर इज द लाइन विच इज डिवाइडिंग the earth into hemisphere. The upper hemisphere is known as the northern hemisphere and the lower half part of the earth is known as the southern hemisphere. Okay, so the sunlight falls directly on the places which are on equator. ठीक है, इक्वेटर की एक लाइन है जो बिल्कुल अर्थ के सेंटर से, एक तो एक्सेस है वो तो नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल को डिवाइड करता है. ठीक है, एक इक्वेटर है जो हाफ में डिवाइड करता है. तो इक्वेटर के पास आसपास जो भी इलाके हैं, जो भी प्लेसेस हैं, जो भी कंट्रीज हैं, उनमें सनलाइट डायरेक्टली पड़ती है. एज यू कैन सी दिस ऑन पेज नंबर 10 फिगर नंबर 2.5C. ठीक है, सन की डायरेक्ट रेज पड़ रही हैं बिल्कुल सेंटर में. और अगर हम अपर पार्ट ऑफ द सन देखें, अर्थ देखें, तो वहां पर जो सन रेज हैं वो एक एंगुलर उस पे पड़ रही हैं, एंगल पे पड़ रही हैं, डायरेक्ट नहीं पड़ रही. ठीक है, तो आप लोगों ने कभी किसी ने फायर के अराउंड ऐसे यूँ हाथ सेके, गर्म किए हाथ, या चूल्हे के अराउंड सर्दियों में कभी ऐसे, या हीटर के सामने बैठ के अगर कभी हाथ ऐसे गर्म किए, किसी ने हैव एनीवन एक्सपीरियंस दैट? तो उसमें क्या होता है कि जितना आप उसके पास रखते हैं हाथ, उतना ज़्यादा जो है वहाँ से हीट स्ट्रॉन्ग आ रही होती है, राइट. और जितना ज़्यादा आप दूर करते हैं, या अगर आप सेंटर से हटाकर एंगुलर उस पर जाएं, जरा सा हाथ टेढ़ा करके रखें, तो वहाँ पर उसकी हीट जो है वो कम पड़ रही होती है. द सेम थिंग हैपन्स कि अर्थ सन की जो है डायरेक्ट रेस पड़ रही होती हैं इक्वेटर के ऊपर, राइट. सो जो भी कंट्रीज इक्वेटर पे हैं उनको डायरेक्टली बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेट सनलाइट मिलेंगी और बहुत हीट रेज जाती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट होती हैं वो रेज. जबकि अगर हम नॉर्दर्न पार्ट या साउदर्न पार्ट पे देखें तो वहाँ सन की रेज डायरेक्ट नहीं पड़ रही, वो एक एंगल पे पड़ रही है, तो उसमें इतनी ज़्यादा इंटेंसिटी नहीं होती, वो इतना ज़्यादा हॉट नहीं होती. सो दैट्स वाई जो इक्वेटर पे प्लेसेस हैं उनमें जो है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है और वो उनके पास सीजन इतने ज़्यादा नहीं होते. वेयरएज जो कि नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर या साउदर्न हेमिस्फेयर में फार फ्रॉम इक्वेटर वो है प्लेसेस, वहाँ पर जो है क्योंकि गर्मी ज़्यादा नहीं होती, तो इस वजह से दे एक्सपीरियंस ऑल द 4 सीजन्स. ओके, नाउ on page number 10, figure number 2.5A, you can see a snowman standing over there. All of you look in your book, the figure number 2.5A. Those who doesn't have the book, I have uploaded the chapter number 2 PDF form. You can download that from there. Okay. So the sunlight is falling indirectly on that plane area, surface area, जिसकी वजह से स्नोमैन जो है वो आराम से खड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, जबकि अगर आप फिगर नंबर 2.5B में देखें तो डायरेक्ट सनलाइट जब पड़ी है तो वहां इतनी ज्यादा गर्मी हो गई है कि स्नोमैन जो है इट मेल्टेड डाउन ड्यू टू द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ हीट ऑफ द सनलाइट, राइट. ओके, इन द सेम मैनर let's continue the reading from last paragraph on page number 10. In the northern hemisphere, this is summer solstice. G, you may raise your hand. Hurulaina. अच्छा, But we will stop this over here. I think so. The time is about to end right now. Let's have a quick recap of what you have understood today. 1 point from all of you. G, unmute yourself and let's have 1 point.
Miss, can I start?
Yes, Hurulaina.
The seasons are caused by the tilt of Earth and Earth's revolution.
Good. Next. Aban Asif.
The seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth and the Earth's revolution.
Okay. Hamza Ahmad.
Since the path around the sun is known as orbit, it takes 365.2 days.
Okay. G. Next. Maryam. Yes, Amber.
Miss, the stars take 1 lakh light years to complete its rotation.
Good. Myra, noted your point, beta. Good. Yes, Hadia Imran.
Miss, the places nearer the equator receive more intense sunlight.
Excellent. Very good. Mariam Haider.
Places in northern hemisphere will have longer day than places in southern hemisphere.
ये तो हमने आज नहीं पढ़ा, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. खैर, you have shared this point. Yes, Mohammad Ayan. Mohammad Ayan, unmute yourself and share your point. Okay, you may write your point, Ayan. I can't hear you. Yes, Zaid Ishtiaq, your point. After Zaid, Ali Sheikh, you will share your point. Yes, Zaid.
When one hemisphere leans more towards the sun, it receives more direct sunlight, while the other hemisphere receives less direct sunlight.
Good. Yes, next, Ali Sheikh.
The equator is at the center of the Earth, and the upper hemisphere and the lower hemisphere. The upper hemisphere is known as North Hemisphere, and the lower hemisphere is known as South Hemisphere.
Excellent. Yes, Ayan Ahmad, and then after that, Bibi Asra also you will share. Yes. Ayan Ahmad, share your point, beta.
The Earth rotates from west to east on its axis and complete one rotation in 24 hours.
Okay, Bibi Asra, your point.
A calendar year is only 365 days, but there is a leap year every 4 years.
Good. Yes, Amber Ayaz. Then after that, Arisha Yusuf and Aliza Faraz. Amber, you have done?
Yeah.
Okay. Then Muhammad Ariz.
The solar system goes around the galaxy. However, it actually is rotating at great speed, faster than a Formula 1 car.
Excellent. Okay. And Muhammad Huzaifa.
In a leap year, there are 29 days in February.
Okay. Anas Riaz. Who is left? Anas Riaz.
The Earth is divided into two halves called hemisphere.
Earth is okay. And who is left now? Hurulaina, have you shared your point? I think so. First point आपने share किया था. Who is left? Arisha Yusuf. Your point, please. Okay, so I think so that everyone have shared the point. So this was all for today's class. Hope to see you guys in the history class, and good luck for the rest of the classes today. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Miss,